Okay, so there's the new project. This is a Viper. It's an Eflite Viper, but it's going to be converted to turbine. Well, it's already converted to turbine. I just took the bottom pieces off here, and I'm getting ready to put my turbine in. Now, I went with a Xicoy because this guy already had. Let's see if we can get in there. Let's see here. A little bit out farther. We'll go out. Let's see where we're at here. There we go. Okay. So this guy already had a Xicoy installed. So now all I've got to do is these 4 screws and the engine will be mounted. So we're going to go over here. Now, I apologize, I don't have my cameraman and I don't feel like setting up my tripod, but we're going to do kind of a slapjack unboxing here. So here is the Xicoy 45. Got this from Turbine RC. Guy was pretty cool. He was actually alright to deal with. Really nice, very fast shipping, immediate. I mean, it was a very quick turnaround, very quick shipping. So here she is. Here's your Xicoy 45. I already opened it, but I didn't take anything out, so I wanted to do the unboxing. So obviously it's packaged very nicely. Some stickers. And I mean, this is just crazy. Oops, sorry. I'm hitting the zoom. Didn't mean to do that. It's crazy the size of this thing. I mean, let's see what we got. We got some more stickers. We got a nice pen. This is all of the tubing and electrical bits. I probably won't need those, but I'll probably keep them. Here's your little controller. I believe that's already installed. We'll take a look at that. This is more controller bits. And here's the business end. Let's take this guy out of here. I mean, here is your Xicoy 45. I mean, that is... I mean, let's put that next to a screwdriver. That tells you how big that engine is. So that's what comes with the engine. There's some other bits in here. And we'll take all of this out and we'll get this it's the user manual. So we'll see what that is. We'll see how that works. And but yeah, I'll keep you posted on this build. It's going to go right in there. And we'll see how it goes. So that's what you get if you get a Xicoy 45. I think, and you have to go through Turbine. I think that's the U.S. dealer. So if that's what you're going to do, give them a call. It was a nice transaction. Like I said, it was very straightforward, very quick shipping. I mean, I ordered this thing. I got it 3 days after I ordered it. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the. I'll put if there's any pitfalls, I'll put them in here. Maybe we'll go ahead and as I get going. More of this. So there's the engine installed. I'll put my fuel line here. My ECU plugs in underneath because it's this wire down here. You can kind of see it down there that way. And it just didn't have enough room. So now I'm going to put my hatch back on. And I'm just going to move to the front of this. And I'll show you the inside. Red light on the camera.
There we go. New camera. We're figuring it out.
New camera. All right. So you saw the bottom. You saw the engine install. Which really wasn't. It was just putting 4 screws in and plugging it in. But here's the top. So here's how I did this. I have a Jetty Rex 12, which is going to be powered by a 2-cell life battery here. My Xicoy controller, the ECU, is going to be powered by a 2S LiPo. And you can see here on the battery, the X45, X90, and X120, 2S 7.4 LiPo.
My bad.
And then 3S LiPo for the X180 and bigger.
Yeah.
So it just so happened that I had this battery, but here's how everything is mounted. Here's the
Oop.
This is the Paul Applebaum conversion kit. The tank is conformed into the plane. I think it came with these wood bits here, where the brake gyro is mounted, where the fuel pump is mounted, and this. I think this all came with the conversion kit. But this is how I mounted it. I looked at the person. Now I bought this used from somebody, and I just kind of looked at how he had it mounted. And this is just with this jetty receiver. He had a Futaba in here, so it was mounted kind of sideways, and then the Cortex was all the way against this wall. I think it'll be better because it's in the center of the airplane here. So this is how I mounted the Cortex. The one thing that I did have to do is I had to shave some foam out of here. Now, he had already shaved foam out of here, but when I had everything, when I went to go put everything in, it was, you could kind of see.
Rubbing.
Yeah, it wasn't really sitting. Now everything, it sits right down. You can even just pop it down, and now it sits really nice. So, but this is how I mounted everything. I went with a Demon Pro, Cortex Pro, Rex 12. I may put an R3 in there, just like right over here maybe, to switch the airplane on and off, because right now I actually have to plug the receiver in to turn everything on, and I don't know if I want to do that, but that's no big deal. But this is the front, how I mounted everything. AG63 brake gyro is down here, fuel pump. Here's your fuel shutoff valve, and that's it. And then my one antenna is going to be mounted here. And I don't know if you'll be able to see down here, but the other antenna is going to be mounted right here in the center of the bottom of the airplane, going straight down. So that's how it is. So that's all I'm doing.
Fire extinguisher.
It was a very straightforward.
Leaf blower.
Something's going on. Fuel pump's turning on. There's your stuff. Oh, there's the igniter.
Oh! Yeah. Super quiet. Yeah? You can smell it. Quiet.
Where's it at? Where's it at? L39?
Yeah. There she is. Don't melt the siding on the garage. Whoa. Perfect.
And small that.
What do you got in there? What size is that?
It's a Xicoy X45.
Nice.
Alright, well the grass is deep, so alright, let's burn it down.
Shut down fast.
Now it's got to go through its cooling cycle.
Okay.
Go all the way down, and then we're just going to leave it.
You empty the gas out or no?
Yeah, I'll suck this.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the cooling cycle. Okay, so it's cooling now. Oh yeah, cooling. Everything works, man. I just got to mount the antennas. I'm going to mount one in the bottom of the airplane and one here, and we're done, man. It's ready to go. I just got to set the throws, and that's it. Now it's cooling down, so that was as easy as it gets, man.
No fire extinguisher required.
Thank God.
Nice.
Alright, so if you're doing this plane, my bigger plane, I had to use a 3-cell life pack for the ECU. In this, it's a Xicoy X45, you can use a 2-cell LiPo. So, and you'll see the battery fits in here perfect. It's a little bit bigger than the one the other person had that had this plane. But I do think it's going to work out really well because I think it's going to be a little heavier, so I think it'll be a little bit more nose heavy, which I think it'll be not a lot, but a little. So remember, on these smaller engines, you could use the smaller light bows. You don't have to use lights. Alright, well that's really all I'm doing. I just put my receiver in it, I put a Cortex in it, everything works. Now it's just ready for maiden. Thanks for watching.